guys, welcome to another episode of The Masked Wanderer. We are headed out of Atlanta again. There's the beautiful skyline of downtown Atlanta. We're heading north up 85 right now towards Cumming, Georgia, to have a short stay at the Belamere Suites. Now, since the day I mentioned where we were going to my husband, it's been non-stop jokes, but we
There's
are
gonna be a lot of happy people up there. There better be. Everybody better have a damn smile on their face in that town.
Yeah, the Belamere Suites, I believe that's how you pronounce it, is where we'll be staying. It is actually a very, they called it the most romantic hotel, or I guess place like that in the nation. That's to be seen, but they do have a pretty good setup. We'll have our own 2-story building to ourselves. It has a garage, and it also has a heated pool, sauna, king size bed, nice size shower, all types of stuff that I'm really looking forward to. Of course we ordered some amenities or add-ons when we made the reservation, so looking forward to see how all that plays out. And when we get there, when we get to check in, we'll check back in with you guys as well, let you know how the check-in process was, and give you our first impression of Belamere Suites.
We're coming all right.
That is how you spell the name of the town. Yep.
Coming home. I love it. I love it. Yes, we are, baby. Coming. Not in our home. We're coming to your home. Coming Buford. Pretty funny. Coming west.
Church, like they said. Yeah, I remember the church actually petitioned against this being built here because they were concerned about the type of, I guess, clientele that they would have here.
Really?
Yeah, they really petitioned, and they did not want them to open this here, but they won, clearly. They've been open for a couple of years, so park right there. Park and head on in. No worries. I'll just change the card on file for this. Okay. The check-in process was really simple. It took a few minutes, but the guy checking us in was really nice and funny. We are now equipped with a complimentary bucket of ice. It's already pre-filled. We got our garage door opener and key, map, our $50 gift card to Marlowe's Tavern, and our rewards card. So yeah, we are all ready, set to go.
And it was almost like he knew we were coming.
I don't have to. They really like the name.
So what's the number again?
He gave us a butt bucket.
For cigarettes?
I guess so. So he did explain that if you come out even that door into the garage, you will be locked out of the room. So we have to be very careful about how we leave. But yeah, It's like a little townhouse. Comes with its own garage. They gave us some chairs so we can sit out and relax. So now that we're outside of the car and I'm getting to see some of the stuff, like you definitely smell the chlorine from in the garage. But it's an odd place to have an iron and an ironing board. So we're gonna go ahead and go in. Let's see what we got here. Go ahead and turn the lights on here. I'm assuming that down there is where the through this door. I hear music playing. Oh look. Is that the Rains Over Africa playing? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Alright, as much as I love that song, I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'll just show you what's out here. There's a couple chairs out here next to the pool. This is really nicely set up. Oh, nice dim like lighting, northern lights type stuff up there. I like that. Now this is a heated pool, like I said. They also have a sauna in the room.
This is like one that
Nice
I wanted to get.
two-person sauna.
This is the one that I wanted to get.
And the door is glass, which is good because I get claustrophobic.
Oh, I can turn the lights on. Wait, light show? Oh, that's...
So the light switch is the light show, okay.
This is the light show. Let's see what colors here.
Okay.
Oh, there's more switches. Hold on. Candles.
Oh, that's the candles on the wall over there, yeah. All right, I like it. Everything's pretty controllable from just these couple light switches over here. So, yeah, let's continue exploring. Now, one thing that I also liked about when I made this reservation is that each room is only for 2 people. They only allow guests over 21, and they don't allow children. They don't allow pets, which, you know, I am definitely allergic to dogs. Many of you have seen my videos before, know that. So that was definitely a good selling point for me. And they definitely lived up to what I expected. Gosh, this is nice.
Slippers.
Yeah.
I'm walking the slippers. Hold on.
Okay, so like they mentioned, we have our own bathrobes and slippers. My amazing husband is gonna get me slippers while I show you guys around here. Thank you. Here. And here, separate toilet area. Always good. Nice big shower. Huge shower. Gosh, is there a light for this thing? Ah, here it is. Double shower head. Really nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
Big shower.
Some storage over here. Bathtub.
Find some lights.
More candles.
Ooh.
Oh, and look, they were nice enough to write happy birthday for us on the mirror. I want you guys to see that. There's a mini fridge. They have a little hanging rack here for some wine glasses that we will be using. The television in here. That's, I guess, if we're gonna be sitting in the hot tub or if we're going to be in the shower. A little sitting area right here. Let's see if this light switch turns. Okay, the light switches are very conveniently placed. I like that. And this is the main bedroom. There's another TV in here, thankfully. They set us up with the Fiesta package because we knew that we were gonna be hungry. So it comes with soda, some chips, and some dip, and some nice rose petals in the shape of a heart. Of course, they're
Ladies
fake.
and gentlemen, they're fake. It just
They probably reused them.
Spoiler alert, they are fake. Ew.
And that's and that's our love locks. I mean, I'm not putting anything important near any of them, but that's, it's really nice that they set it up like that. So yeah, we are looking forward to our stay here. We are going to utilize every inch of this room and enjoy our time here and let you know how we feel about our stay when we're done, and how the concierge service was, and you know, if there's anything that we would recommend, or you know, if we wouldn't recommend. But stay tuned.
Workout paused. Workout resumed.
Oh, there's a second right there.
Workout paused.
Wow, it goes way further back than I thought it did. And it's right next to the highway too.
Workout resumed.
So here we are at Belamere Suites. We're doing the scavenger hunt. We just got to the first box, and here we are with the first obstacle that we have to overcome.
What song reminds you of me? Please sing me one verse.
Sing you one verse. Okay. Hey guys, we are winding up our trip here at Belamere Suites. It's been an amazing, absolutely enjoyable stay. You're looking at the light show on the roof above the pool in the Grand Royal Pool Suite. We saw when we got here, they have some candles set up along the wall, some nice decor, you know, a little donut just in case you drown in this 3-foot 8-inch deep water. I guess if you get drunk, then maybe you're more at risk, but I'm good. But yeah, this light show is definitely awesome. It's been a great stay here. There's so many things we've enjoyed and so many things that we would like to comment on. First of all, I wish I had known about the light show on the ceiling sooner or ahead of time. I would have definitely brought some type of inner tube, because you know, being able to sit back and relax and watch this is definitely calming and enjoyable. Another thing that's pretty important is that the floors get very slippery. They do warn you about that at check-in, but except for the main bedroom area, it's all, you know, not carpet. So it's very easy to slip and fall if you're not careful. They give you some in-room water, soda, and stuff like that, but they also tell you that they'll charge you for it, so we went ahead and brought our own. Also, while we were walking on the Love Trail, one of the workers saw us sitting down and enjoying the afternoon and handed us a bottle of Prosecco and some orange juice in 2 cups. It was one of the nicest things. Definitely helped the afternoon be a little bit more interesting. Also, they're really dedicated to the whole concept of losing yourself and losing track of time, because I seen this when we got here. Move this and there's no window. There's no windows in any of the rooms. They do have a little attic window at the tops of the buildings, but obviously you can't access the attic. But if you turn the lights out in here, it is pitch black. You can't see anything, and it makes it really easy to get a good night's sleep. And to attest to how easy it is to lose track of time, I didn't even realize it was raining. But they put us on the end of this row. It's been really good for noise control. It is right on the side of a major state route, but you hardly, I mean, I didn't hear any road noise really, except for an ambulance passing by. There was really no disturbances. Everybody that's been staying here has been, you know, pretty nice, respectful. The staff is amazingly friendly and nice, and they'll do whatever you need. Just ask them and they'll take care of it for you. I would definitely rate this stay up there with our trip on the Virgin Cruises and Chateau Elan. This has definitely been a really good stay, enjoyable, plenty to do, plenty to see, plenty to not do, plenty to not see. But unfortunately, we can't stay on vacation forever, so we're gonna have to head back into reality. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this review of Belamere Suites in Cumming, Georgia. And we'll see you next time.